it's Royalty. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a sleek ponytail with a extended braid. I first went in with some heat protectant spray and I flat ironed small sections of hair until it was all straightened. Once I successfully flat ironed her hair, I went in with my hot comb and I pressed the perimeter of her hairline. So I got her hair straightened to my liking, period, real sleek. And I'm going to do a heart design with this ponytail because I think that'll be real cute. So unfortunately my camera went dead, but I did mold the back of her head already and the other side. So right now I'm just going to proceed to molding this side of her head, and to do that I'm using beeswax. After I put the beeswax in, I'm going to comb it and smooth it until it's the way that I like it, and I'm going to go in with some hairspray and blow dry it until it's completely dry. So I'm using a small edge brush to smooth the pieces of hair, and I feel like it gives me more of a sleek look than the comb would or a regular brush would. I'm going to continue to repeat these steps throughout the molding process until her ponytail is completely molded. Once the hair is molded how I like it, I'm going to secure it with an elastic band and attach the braid. Now that her braid is attached, I am going to lay her baby hairs. So to do this, I used a small flat iron to curl them prior to me laying them, and I'm using beeswax to slick these down as well. I just love how this turned out. Super sleek, super flat, super cute. And then the ponytail just set it off. It's just like, y'all see it. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment letting me know what you want to see from me and how you like this video.